Along with the contributors who have written chapters, there are other contributors who have created the cover page, the photographs which they have given. So can we call Azhar? Samim Asgar?
He is taking the photograph.
Samim, you can take the photograph later if somebody else will take your photograph.
Sir.
Gayatri?
यहाँ से
And meanwhile, some of you are being photographed and you are taking photograph of the authors. Few things I would like to say on behalf of Jawaharlal Nehru Teachers Association. One is the first thing that let us all congratulate the students for being part of the lecture all through February, March and the later part. Also, the one thing which I would like to put on record, that our administration need to learn that how to deal with the student protest. The students here are not in agreement with the way Januta thought to have the book released. But they are so peaceful and still articulative that every one of us got the message, and it is good to have different ways of commemorating and different ways of dealing with the situation, articulating. Having said so, the two things I would like to say from where Professor Anand Kumar has left, and that is, as far as the admission policy is concerned, all the students and JNUTA are on the same page, that we do believe, and we have said in no uncertain term, that the JNU will not accept the 2016 regulation or the arbitrary admission policy in the name of 2016 regulation, where 100% Viva will be, so the total discretion in terms of admission of students. On behalf of the JNUTA, I would like to thank all the contributors, the people who have contributed in reading the manuscript, also those who have contributed in giving the photograph, putting it in throughout the book, the cover page, back page, and all the photographs. Our thanks are also due to HarperCollins, because primarily the Santanu and his team for taking it on through and then getting it published. For today's speaker, each one of them as name, Harvansh Mukhia, Professor Anil Bhatti, C.P. Bhamri, Tiplut, Professor L.K. Pandey, Professor Anand Kumar, and Kamal Mitra Chinai. Januta, I would like to thank all of them for having spared their time and participated and encouraged us to continue such struggles which we have been through. We also like to thank lately, whether you take it as a satire or you take it as reality, but those who attacked JNU, because that gave us an energy to fight and fight in open. So they should all, and all the students, all the faculty members, especially our faculty colleagues. So I would like to thank each one of them for being part of the struggle that this Januta has taken for time. I would like to assure the students that after 31st, when the new team of Januta would take up, the cause of students and cause of university are not different. The university exists because the students exist. So we will always be there to see that university exists, and you all remain there with your own voice in complete defiance of our voice. You are welcome to have opinion, and we will keep debating. So I would like to thank one and all, especially also the press who has given the coverage for this, and also I would like to say that the books are all sold, and I'm sorry for those who are not getting the copy, they can get it later from Jawahar. And would like to say later, with a heavy heart for the one of student who is on the hunger strike, that there is some tea, so people who have sat here for longer hours, please have tea also.